moment. We were made for this time. The world is waiting, and the future is ours. I have walked through the valleys where the shadows were long. I have carried the weight of the world on my own for so long. But I heard a voice rising like a flame in the night, saying, "Child, keep on moving. You were born for the light." Every nation has a story, every soul has a song, every child has a purpose and a place to belong. So I lift up my voice now to the mountains and seas, because the world needs to hear it, and that someone is me. We are more than our struggles, we are more than our pain. We are seeds of tomorrow, drinking sunlight and rain, and together we rise now, like the dawn breaks the sky. We are the world, every nation, every tongue. We are the future, just look at what we've become. From the mountains to the oceans, every heartbeat beats as one. We are the world, we are the future. We are one, we are the dream that was planted long ago. We are the harvest, watch us rise and overflow. In every language, every color, every song. We are the world, we are the future. We belong. I remember when I wondered if my voice would be heard, if the songs that I carry were worth more than mere words. But I looked at the children in the eyes of tomorrow, and I knew that my silence would be the world's greatest sorrow. So I opened my heart wide like a window to spring. Every note became a promise, every song became a wing. Now I'm flying without limits, over oceans and time, with a million voices with me in this chorus of life. We are more than our history, we are more than our fear. Every scar is a story that says, "Look, I am here," and together we stand now as the whole world sings along. We are the world, every nation, every tongue. We are the future, just look at what we've become. From the mountains to the oceans, every heartbeat beats as one. We are the world, we are the future. We are one, we are the dream that was planted long ago. We are the harvest, watch us rise and overflow. In every language, every color, every song. We are the world, we are the future. We belong. There is a child somewhere crying in the rain. There is a mother who is praying through the pain. There is a father working hard with weary hands. There is a dreamer with a vision no one understands. But we see you, we see you. You are never alone. We are standing right beside you, and together we are whole. So we sing for every broken thing, we sing for every wing that never got to fly. We sing for every voice that was silent, and every dream that almost died. But it's alive, it's alive, the future is alive. We are the world, every nation, every tongue. We are the future, just look at what we've become. We were born for this moment. We were made for this time. The world is waiting, and the future is ours. I have walked through the valleys where the shadows were long. I have carried the weight of the world on my own for so long.